पूजिता का क्या हो रहा है, पूजिता का क्या हो रहा है. तो I was like, I want to answer all those questions इस बार. Hi everybody. Hi guys. I'm Sumit. I'm the co-creator of आपकी पूजिता with Adhiraj Singh.
And I'm Vivek. I am directing the series.
हम लोग ने बहुत टाइम से आप लोग को अपडेट्स नहीं भेजी है, so there are some updates for you. Our one episode is finished, so clip of that is playing behind us.
So we finished one episode, and we are now talking to different partners and different broadcasting partners to get more funding for the remaining episodes. The way it works is if a distributor shows interest in this in the project, then the funds flow easily. So that's what we're doing. For the next 6 months, we have another pilot that has been commissioned to us, and that is our timeline to find funding to do the remaining Pujita episodes at one go, the remaining 5 episodes at one go.
साथ में we made the decision to also do higher quality. So basically the episode you're seeing here, and when you see it, it lands, in my opinion, I don't know if you will agree or not, just a notch above Rick and Morty. It is slightly higher. You will, I don't want to compare, matlab, but I would say
Grammar and
but the quality is landed slightly better, so it obviously will need slightly more money. So basically, the Kickstarter money we have is almost like 25% of the budget. We still need 75%. The show that we have been commissioned, it is a pilot, and next 6 months we have done with Pujita ka episode, and next 6 months while we finish that pilot, me and Shuddha, my teammate, are going around doing conversations to find a distributor and a producer. That is what we are doing for the next 6 months. Now, what happens, Vivek, if we find that money? Then what happens?
then basically we ought to do all 5 episodes at a go and in a shorter time, obviously, than it took the first episode where we were sort of organizing everything, laying the groundwork, the style and animation and the background style and everything. So the next 5 episodes you want to finish in one go.
And what happens if we don't find money?
If you don't find the money, then also we will sit and finish all the 5 episodes ourselves.
So then the mindset is, if we even if we don't find the money, we have taken money from you, so we owe it to you. So then we will sit and we will basically either put our own money, either we will go around asking for episode level producers or a producer or an investor for the whole remaining money and just do it. But we will nonetheless finish it. So there's one more radical idea.
So we've been looking at different sources of fundings, right, for series, and we find that funding for a feature animation is much more easily available, and it's a more well established marketplace, and the way to approach that marketplace is also well documented. But other than the animation series, so we are thinking of combining all the episodes to actually make a animated feature. So make the Pujitas not a series, to make it an animated feature. So that's one way of approaching it, and obviously then the funding conversation changes majorly, and hopefully many more doors will open. It's still up for debate, and we are thinking about this.
Basically, story हमारी ऐसी है कि it's a continuing narrative. So that's why we can do it. Also, duration wise, we also come close to a feature. Writing more jokes has never been a problem for me and Adhiraj. I think we can happily do it. We actually cut a lot of parts which we can bring back. And basically domestic scene जो है, पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है हमारे देश में some sort of depression है एनिमेशन को लेके. दुश्मनी, नफरत कुछ तो है. तो अगर डोमेस्टिक लोग पैसा नहीं देंगे, डोमेस्टिक प्रोड्यूसर्स पैसा नहीं देंगे, तो टैलेंट बाहर जाएगा. तो विल गो आउट, एंड आउटसाइड फीचर को लेकर सिस्टम बेटर डेवलप्ड है. तो देन we'll do that, and Pujita will not be an Indian series. It will be whoever gives us money. It will be a German series. It will be whatever. So that's, I think, good punishment for local producers if they don't give us money. But main thing is that we will wrap it nonetheless. Like, we committed it to you, we will finish it and we will finish. उसके अलावा आई थिंक एक और चीज़ है जो अभी तक मेजॉरिटी हमने ज़्यादा लोगों से डिस्कस भी नहीं की है, वो है हमारी वॉइस कास्ट. एंड वी हैव अ स्पेक्टेक्युलर वॉइस कास्ट जिसको लेके हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं.
Right. I'm sure the backers would know, right?
Backup for this video, I think we'll go out even to a larger audience. Okay. Who might not know. Right.
So Pujita is being voiced by Sana Said, and if you know, she is basically Anjali from the Shah Rukh starrer Kuch Kuch Hota Hai ages back. She really, when he approached her, she really loved it because her personal story also resonates with Pujita. She's been a child actor herself, so she really related to Pujita as a character, and therefore she put really a lot of emotion into the role, and it was like really fantastic.
अभी रिसेंटली व्हेन आई वेंट टू लाइटबॉक्स एक्सपो तो लॉस एंजलिस, तो आई इवन वेंट एंड आई मेट हर एंड लाइक द सेम एनर्जी स्टिल देयर. तो बेसिकली व्हेन शी मेट अस, शी हैड अ चैट विद अस, शी वाज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट कि हाँ एडल्ट एनिमेशन करना है. वो लॉस एंजलिस में बेस्ड है, तो जब वहाँ भी मैं गया, अभी आई प्लेड द एपिसोड फॉर हर एंड इट brought tears to her eyes in terms of like how happy she was seeing her own voice. क्योंकि इस एपिसोड में there's a character called पापी पेट. तो पूजिता भूखी होती है तो उसका पेट बड़ा होकर पापी पेट बन जाता है, और उसने ही पापी पेट को भी वॉइस किया है, बट शी कुड नॉट बिलीव हर ओन एक्टिंग. तो उसमें भी लाइक शी वॉज रियली हैप्पी. एंड देन भाभी इज, सो देर इज नो भैया इन आपकी पूजिता. देर इज पूजिता, देर इज भाभी. भैया कोई है नहीं, रैंडमली ये भाभी है. भाभी इज बीइंग वॉइस्ड बाय
Gauhar Khan.
गौहर खान.
know very well.
हाँ, तो गौहर खान, you might remember her from lot of things she does and also her Instagram. She's a very established actor. And गौहर खान originally मेरी और अधिराज की references थी when we were basically drawing the character. तो गौहर खान जो है वो she was also, you know, at that time what happened was she was pregnant around that time and we were also very stressed क्योंकि हमें production चालू करनी थी. But then we also made the decision कि नहीं, we will wait until Gaur Khan is available to do it. And as soon as she was available, then we did the recording. And funny enough was that there is a particular part in episode 5 जहाँ there is one joke where she could not stop laughing. And I had that joke was actually removed पहले, पर बाद में डाला, and she could not stop laughing and she was actually crying. हमें रिकॉर्डिंग रोकनी पड़ी थी 3-4 बार for her to stop.
Basically, you have to hold it in, because इसके बाद what is going to happen is you have to slap that woman for doing this to you. Because आपका you've read इसका next dialogue. Read इसका next dialogue क्या है?
I can't.
No, I'm just saying it'll kill you even more. इसके बाद next dialogue जो है.
Okay, but that was also a fantastic moment. तो basically वही this like you will enjoy it what we are making. and अभी हमने एक एपिसोड ख़त्म किया, उसी में हमारी इतनी लर्निंग्स इम्प्रूव हो गई, इतना कुछ इम्प्रूव हो गया कि वी आर श्योर इफ़ यू आर एबल टू डू ऑल ऑफ इट वी विल ऑल्सो एंड अप मतलब विद अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फन थिंग.
We love to meet and engage with Pujita fans in all the Comic Cons and meet them
Actually, ये
face to face.
मेरा सपना है, अगर कोई बिल्कुल वेला है जिसके पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम है, अ गर्ल हु वांट्स टू कॉस्प्ले, एक्चुअली अ बॉय आल्सो, आई डोंट केयर, and cosplay as Pujita. I'll give you one free graphic novel if you do that. Like just wear that surreal orange and red suit, sarkari style, and please आओ.